Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and perform Authy lost phone recovery. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To recover an Authy account after losing your phone, you can try to restore it on another device if you have the multi-device. So let me simply go ahead and open my Authy application. My account is logged in. Simply go ahead and tap on the gear icon, tap on devices, and as you can see, there's going to be a setting called allow multi-device. If that is turned on for you, then you can simply go ahead and log in into another device with the same phone number, and it will simply go ahead and work. And it will simply allow you to simply download the app on your new phone and confirm access from an existing Authy app. If you don't have another device or multi-device disabled, then you will need to start an account recovery process, which will take 24 hours to complete and will require you to re-register your phone. You will lose any tokens that were not backed up, and you will need your backup password to decrypt your backed up tokens on your new device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.